Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper Quick Tips. I'm your host Tim. Here's the tip for today. So it's time to put a new wick in one of your lighters. And this is a Zippo Slim, great travel size, nice little lighter. I've already removed the cotton and the wick from this one. Now, and here's my new Zippo wick. Now, Zippo says, just use some tweezers to remove everything and install the new wick. And for some of you that y'all may not have any trouble at all, but sometimes it can be a little difficult working in such these tight confining spaces to get the wick in. So here's my tip to help you out. This is some copper craft wire. I think it's nickel coated, and it's they don't have the size on the packaging, so it is 0.29 0.26 millimeter, cut off, I don't know, 6 or 7 inches. And then I put a loop in one end and got a little bit of a tail. And then we'll just slide that on the end. If I can do this from behind the camera, it's a little tougher. Okay, we'll slide that on. You may have to slide it down. Yeah, I don't want it too close, but not too far away. Then I will take my needle nose and we'll tighten that down real good. Hold that down, and we'll start twisting. You can actually buy wicks that have a wire embedded in the very end just for this exact same reason. Let me cut a little bit off. And let's see if we can't put this in. There we go. Then we'll just pull on that end of the wire. And it pulls it right on through. Makes it real simple to put a new wick in one of your lighters. I hope you found this quick tip for the day to be interesting and helpful. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.